Chien Tsai Machinery Company Limited is a screw manufacturer in Taiwan. Its gross output of screws accounts for 30% of the global output. In 1973, President Chien Tsai founded Chien Tsai Machinery Company Limited in Taipei, specialized in research and development of automatic thread rolling machines and production of screws with an external diameter of 1 to 38 millimeters. The average monthly output was 120 sets. When the production line was in full operation, annual productivity can exceed 2,000 sets. It has the capacity to meet the stable supply for the market. Under the direction of General Manager Alex Chung, we are a team proficient in management and brave in challenges. We have the most perfect logistic equipments and advanced machining instruments to guarantee the accuracy and standard yield rate of the machine development process. Meanwhile, we pay special attention to after-sales service of products and response speed, so as to help customers solve problems immediately. We are fully aware that quality and service are the key to win customers' confidence and support. As the scope of customers expanded and the business volume increased, in order to serve the customers in mainland China more efficiently, the company established a subsidiary company in 2001 and established Kaohsiung factory in 2005. Along with the service locations in Haiyan, Ningbo and Wenzhou in mainland China, the company has established a complete network system covering the Greater China region and expanding the market share. In order to break into the international market, Chien Tsai Machinery has focused on the development of high-speed automatic thread rolling machines. It has also planned to carry out a warehouse expanding project for the factory buildings in the Environmental Science and Technology Park in southern Taiwan, in order to create a more comprehensive warehousing mechanism and achieve higher productivity. At present, our products have obtained CE Mark certification, and the Shanghai factory has passed ISO 9000. We plan to pass ISO 14001 certification in the future, so as to ensure the top quality of the products and maintain clients' trust.
Hello, I'm Mr. Lee. Next, I will introduce the automatic thread rolling machine of Chien Tsai Machinery to you. Our thread rolling machine can process screws with an external diameter of 1 millimeter to 38 millimeters and a length of 1 millimeter to 500 millimeters. We can make any thread: machine thread, tapping thread, drilling, or steel, stainless, aluminum alloy, and copper screws, as long as the thread rolling die allows. Our thread rolling machines are professional and diversified. ZR Series is our oldest and most important thread rolling machine type, which has been favored by our clients for many years. Based on the traditional design, it has the feature of exposed bull gear drive system and 90% automatic feeding mechanism. ZR Series is more suitable for clients requiring large rolling force but not speed. Under environmental awareness, we keep introducing new CR Series thread rolling machines. The new design encases the driving gear in the machine set, and it is lubricated to reduce the noise and the gear wearing effectively during screw rolling. The improved settings include the eccentric plate replacing traditional cam and the strengthened arm swing system, so that the optimum effect of high-speed thread rolling can be attained in the 90% feeding condition. CTR Series has excellent performance that can satisfy clients who demand high stability and high velocity. This series is also marketed overseas. The CTR high-speed automatic thread rolling machine is equipped with eccentric plate system and arm swing system, and the screws are fed at 30 degrees, thus greatly shortening the feeding time interval and increasing the thread rolling speed. With the assistance of NG detection screening device, the quality and quantity of screws can be controlled at the same time, and the synergistic effect can be obtained. Our feeding design not only provides 30-degree oblique feeding and 90-degree vertical feeding, but also keeps developing a variety of grub screw feeding systems. In addition, we've designed a movable orbital bracket and a float head detection device to maintain the stability of screw feeding, so that the operators can master the unit pressure and speed of screw rolling timely. Once an error state occurs in thread rolling, the pneumatic braking device will lock up immediately to force the machine to stop, and the drop lift for blanking area is started up at the same time to separate defective products from non-defective ones effectively, so as to reduce the occurrence of towing a stern smash-up. Isn't Chien Tsai machinery cool?
Yes, the stable market share of Chien Tsai machinery in the Asian market definitely depends on our assembling technology, combining traditional manual dexterity with technological innovation. For each set of our thread rolling machine of any type and size, the main slide has experienced manual scraping by experienced masters. The error rate is below 0.01 millimeters. The steel plate texture is finer and the oil content is more saturated, so as to keep the stability of screw rolling. As for the machine, Chien Tsai uses robot arm for fixed point welding, uses microcomputer to record the path, and adopts quantitative spot welding to make the plates bond together accurately and tightly. The driving gear uses liquid nitrogen for combination. When the gear is cooled quickly, it contracts before it works, without damaging the bearing, in order to create the optimal precision between the gear and the bearing. After these processes, the machines are conveyed to the spray chamber one by one. The metal plates are checked and puttied, and sprayed with the customer-designated colors. The manufacturing process, combining tradition with technology, is the insistence of Chien Tsai. All these are for providing clients with better and more stable quality. Over 145 countries around the world have purchased screws from Taiwan, so that Taiwan is known as the screw exporter. There is a saying, "A tiny screw of Taiwan ties the whole world firmly." President Chien Tsai is confident in the company's ability to produce any kind of screws, as long as there is a thread rolling die. Therefore, Chien Tsai has been aiming to provide the most perfect service and the most professional technology for 38 years, and spent considerable money per year to improve the levels of technology and service. As for machine maintenance and repair, Chien Tsai guarantees 1-year free warranty service for new machines. The repair specialist will be sent on the same day or the day after. The repair content, items, and prices are marked clearly, and the prices are absolutely reasonable. We are fully aware that the main challenge in screw industry is the speed. Success is determined by satisfying the client's demands promptly. Chien Tsai started the warehouse expansion project in 2011. If the machines and parts and components in stock are increased, we can respond to the market demand timely and shorten the delivery time. The average delivery time for this industry is 3 to 6 months after receiving the orders. However, with our warehousing system, we will be able to shorten delivery time to less than 1 month, which will greatly increase the productivity. Screws are Taiwan's pride. Chien Tsai is the pride of Taiwan machinery industry. The automatic thread rolling machine of Chien Tsai Machinery, the first brand of Made in Taiwan, is your exclusive choice. We have been accompanying the growth of Taiwan screws for 38 years, and we will grow and thrive together with the world in the future.